Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we are going to be going through MOG coin, okay? Because MOG is going absolutely ballistic right now. We are seeing some very favorable price action to the upside of around 20% in the last day or so. So we're going to be covering MOG coin here from a lovely technical analysis perspective, really diving into depth here and looking at some potential price targets for this asset, considering it's just hit and claimed $1 billion in terms of market cap. Very impressive MOG. Love to see it. So let's get into this, okay? So as I said, 20% in the last day, pretty good. $1 billion in terms of market cap. Fully diluted market cap, 1.13. So there is a little bit of supply that is yet to be... No, I'm completely wrong there. Forget that. Oh, no, there's total supply, max supply, circulating supply. Okay, so yeah, there is roughly around 10% of the supply that isn't actually in circulation right now. So that is nothing too crazy, but it just poses the question of it will have an effect on the price when that does eventually get unlocked. Okay, so going over to the website quickly, guys, you can see they've obviously got merch, how to buy bridge. It's a very favorable coin. It's a very cultured coin here, and it's very popular in sort of the NFT space as well. Okay, you can see they've got listed on major exchanges here, which is very bullish, and I would expect higher prices for this asset overall. Now let's get into the chart and let's look at some really key bullish updates for this asset and to see where this thing is going to be going here in the next couple of weeks or so. Before we do that, guys, just want to talk to you quickly about Crypto Allstars. It's a meme-based project that is in a pre-sale phase, but they have just raised basically $4.8 million in their pre-sale. Unbelievable stuff. And you can see there is a countdown until the final pre-sale, until the launch here. Okay, and what this is a meme coin staking vault. So you can basically stake all of your meme coins, your whole meme coin portfolio essentially, and earn passive income through doing so. Okay, there's loads of influences behind that. It's not quite loading right now, but there's loads of influences behind this, and they've got a lot of stuff going on here. Amazing tokenomics, really bullish rewards here. You can actually stake your MOG coin here over on Crypto Allstars as well, right? So yeah, you can stake your Turbo, your Pepe, your Doge, your Bonk, any sort of meme coin that you want, you can stake on here and earn passive income. So it's a passive income ecosystem that is very profitable. And they are in a pre-sale phase. So there is still a chance for you guys to get in. And I did read something about tier 1 exchange listings straight out of the gate here, and you know what that means if that is going to happen. And we have seen this happen before with a pre-sale budget of basically $5 million. They usually take some of that, pay for, say, a KuCoin or a Binance or a Coinbase listing, and then the asset just goes to the goddamn moon. Okay, so if you are looking for a 10 to 1,000x potential here, this is one thing that I would highly recommend. Go check it out. Links are all in the description. Now over to MOG coin chart. This is where it gets interesting. I'm going to get rid of a bit of the noise because I know you newer traders are looking at that like, what the hell is going on here, man? But what I'm just going to say here is we've got a lovely, simple, bullish uptrend. We've got our low from September the 6th here, and we've got our high from November the 16th last week, and from there we're actually seeing a very nice bit of a propulsion here in the chart, up 33% over the last day here over on TradingView on Mexi here. So insanely bullish here. Can we push for that 45% to break the high? If we can, that is going to be very nice indeed for this asset. Now, one thing that I do want to cover is just going to be very simple. Okay, it's very simple price action, very simple trend lines, guys, because we need to be aware of very important resistance points for this asset. So you can see what I've just done there, made a parallel channel at all the relevant points. So the next resistance point for us to really be looking out for MOG coin is going to be up around this area. We will usually pull back down to the high for around 17%. This will be at around 359. So let's have a look at that on CMC. So that will be roughly, in terms of a percent from where we are now to that high, it's actually another 30%. So that will put the market cap up here for MOG coin at around $1.3, $1.4 billion, which is a very progressive sign here to be seeing MOG coin smashing all-time highs and really going for that win, that $2 billion market cap sort of area. that would be the resistance point that I'm looking out for there. Let's bring in some volume-weighted ATR bands here, because this is where it does get a little bit choppy, guys. And unfortunately, it might take a little bit longer to get to these areas here if it is not just a parabolic motion to the upside here. If it is straight parabolic motion to the upside, expect heavy resistance there because we have pumped basically 33% in a day. But if it's not, then we need to be aware and very cautious of what we can see happening here. They are volume-weighted average true range that basically measure the average volatility price from a volume-weighted perspective. And you can see here that it's very strong in terms of resistance here. Very, very, very strong when these guys all get together, especially when they get together. And one that we haven't actually tested in a long time is this lovely one coming down here, which obviously is quite a new chart. So that is the daily, and we haven't really tested that properly yet. We tested it a little bit here, but nothing too congruent in terms of data. But to really test it here with these other volume-weighted ATR bands as well, you can see the pullbacks and the momentum to the downside is really quite aggressive. So if we do come up to this today, I would expect resistance to come down. Maybe there is going to be a trap to the upside here, because a lot of people will short the all-time high only naturally. But if they don't, basically dump it from this area and they want to stop out a load of shorts here, this is the target I would be going for, up around this 35.7 area, and then I would, as I said, see massive resistance coming down from that point. Okay, it is a meme coin, guys. It is just over $1 billion. We usually see resistance at $1 billion, which we have seen 1, 2, basically 3 times now. So just be aware, don't get too comfortable in this pump. Remember to take your profits. And as well, overall, guys, macro, you can see all major moving averages here are looking very bullish to the upside as well. Following that nice trend is your friend scenario. Now, I'm going to end the video here, but don't forget to go check out Crypto Allstars. This is your last chance to get involved before amazing tier 1 exchange listings with a $5 million budget for this asset. Okay, very interesting stuff. Links are all in the description. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.